Hello everyone, welcome back to Bao Tool Marketing's YouTube channel. Today I will guide you all to use software that can scan, download and edit videos automatically in large quantities on multiple social networking platforms. You just need to select platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Douyin, Instagram, into the software. It will help you scan videos by keyword or by channel name. The software will automatically scan for the videos you want, and then you can automatically download those videos. You can select the folder file to download all the videos you just scanned. Then you can also edit these videos with more than 1,000 different effects in the editing features. This is very suitable for those who are doing rough videos, making money on beta. I will check for you all the videos that I have downloaded with this software. You can absolutely use it for your own purposes. Using videos like this will save you time making advertising content. You can take videos from different platforms, edit them automatically, then repost them on channels like Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok completely automatically, and can avoid copyright from the platforms. Please contact me for advice on this software.